Greetings, peace and love family. Welcome to Smile Pharmacy Apothecary. We offer wonderful substance like our daily greens for pregnant women and postpartum mommies. This is a vital time to keep building your nutrients. Having something fresh and green in your smoothies, your green fresh pressed juices. Kale, spinach, and other dark leafy green vegetables are packed with vitamins and minerals. That's great for expectant mothers and their newborn babies. They have vitamins like vitamin A, C, K, and E, as well as calcium, iron, fiber, and folate. Folate is a B vitamin that protects against any birth defects. So around this time, I need you to sit, meditate on cultivating a wonderful divine temple for yourself, for your baby, and your family. But most of all, this time is for you. Smile Pharmacy Apothecary offers a carefully chosen selection of high-quality products such as newborn essentials, herbal remedies, water birth kits, also home birth kits. For post-birth, we offer products to support the postnatal period and breastfeeding period as well, such as your lactation aids, things as far as your supplements. We also elevate your mood and calm your mood by essential oils. Our goal is to ensure that mommies have access to a holistic home birth kit and supplies that is needed for a healthy pregnancy and a wonderful birth. Smile Pharmacy is committed to providing the quality products and exceptional services for you, your family, and to take care of your healthy baby that you're manifesting. Visit smilepharmacy.com today to order your superfood greens or your Goddess Beyond birth kit.